Hello and welcome back everyone to this channel, and today in this video tutorial I will show you how to get file extension in Python. So for that I will use the two module of the Python. First is the OS module and second is the pathlib module. So suppose you have a file like a image.jpg and report.pdf. And let's say you want to extract this extension JPG and PDF. So here I'm going to use these two modules os and pathlib to show you how you can extract the file extension. Now let's start with the OS module. So first you need to import the OS module from the Python, and the second you must have the path of the file whose extension you want to extract. Suppose you have a path of the file like a /data. Then there is a file called photo.jpg, and to extract the extension you need to use the path module of the OS module. So this OS module contains the path submodule, and this path submodule provide a function .split.text that you can use to extract the file extension. And let's see how to do that. So this split.text takes your path, takes this path, and extract the base path and extension of the given path. So let's see. So here it extract base and then extension like this, and after that call os.path.splitext like this, and to this split.text provide the path of the file. So here pass file path like this. Now it returns two parts. First is the base path and second is the extension. So let's print the extension because we don't need this base path. So here type extension like this. Now execute the shell. So as you can see, it extracted the extension.jpg from the file. And suppose that you have a different file like a report.pdf file, and again run this code, and you can see it extracted the PDF extension from the specified path. So here I want to tell that this split.text function extract the extension based on this dot or based on this period you see. So it divides the given path into two parts. First part is the base part, which is before this dot period, and the second is the extension of the file after the period. So if you print this base, you can see it contains the path before the dot. So you can see here, this is the base and this is the extension. Now move and let's see how we can perform the same operation using the pathlib module. So this pathlib module contains a class path, and using that class you can extract the extension of the file. So first import the path from the pathlib. So from pathlib import the path class, and then define your file path like this one. So here I'm going to take this file path and then pass this file path to the path constructor of this class. So here create a file object like this, and then use the path, and after that provide the file path like this, or you can call it a path object like this. And this path constructor creates a path object, and then on this path object you can call the suffix property to get the file extension. So I'm going to directly print path object dot suffix. So you need to call this property suffix on this path object to get the file extension, and let's see how it extract the file extension. And now you can see in the output it extracted the .pdf from this file path. So if you change this to like a exe for example, and again execute this, it extracted the extension .exe. So here you need to pass the path of the file which exists on your system like this, and this will return a path object, and on that path object, to get the extension, just call the suffix and you will get the extension of any file. So these are the two methods, os and pathlib, that you can use to get the extension of the file in Python. So at last I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you.